Top 15 destinations to visit in Turkey.
If you're new to Travel Wish feed, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on the next beautiful destinations we feature.
Snuggled between Europe and Asia stands a country rich in culture and contractions, Turkey, where the East meets the West, nature sees its depth, and history meets adventure. Whether you are a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or crazy for culture, Turkey is filled with authentic experiences for you to indulge in. While Turkey carries the identity of being a dangerous country, its colorful skies and beautiful landscapes will have you change your opinion in a jiffy. From the Paleolithic era to the 21st century, the diversity in culture, food, and heritage will leave you wanting to explore more. Let us dive right into the list now. Number 15. Ana. Begin your journey at the eastern Turkish province with Ana, the forgotten, historically rich ancient capital of Armenia. Formerly known as the City of 1001 Churches, the first and foremost thing you do in Ana is visit the spectacular snow-covered churches. The Church of St. George stands tall as one of the most preserved buildings in Ana. The beautiful cliff-drop view from the back of the church will let you witness the slender mountains of Ana. The city walls, Church of Redeemers, and Silk Road are a few other spots to add to your list. Number 14. Konya. Every Turkey city has its specialty, and for Konya, it is the history that it has witnessed. Previously known as Iconium, the biggest highlight of the city is the tomb of Jalal-ud-Din Rumi, or better known as Mevlana. Learn about the history of this philosopher through special audio guides at the Mevlana Museum. For a relaxing evening, you can head to the small artificial hill of Aladdin to enjoy a view of Konya City. The Coulter Park, right behind the Aladdin Hill, carries a beautiful atmosphere at night, with the illuminated fountains and prayer calls of the Masons. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to support us by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on our next featured destinations. Number 13. Mount Nemrut. The meeting point of the East and West, Mount Nemrut is a UNESCO World Heritage Center that carries the secrets of the Commagene Kingdom. Said to be part of a wealthy kingdom, the mount is overlooked by large sculptures that weigh 8 tons and are 10 meters tall. With Greek facial features and Eastern clothing, King Antiochus I established the meeting of the two directions. Incredible sunrises and sunsets can also be witnessed from the massive site and the 49-meter tumulus of earth and stone over tombs. Number 12. Pamukkale. After visiting cities that are full of history, Pamukkale provides the perfect all-white landscape with bright blue pools for you to relax and re-energize. Pamukkale, or Cotton Castle, has experienced the formation of calcite-filled mineral basins over thousands of years, which eventually led to its entrance into the UNESCO World Heritage List. While the locals believe that the waters have healing powers, we think that you must believe it when you experience it. Number 11. Side. The Side Resort is the mini version of everything that Turkey has to offer. Located on an ancient site in the old towns, Side is surrounded by water, is home to well-preserved ruins, and provides ample entertainment and shopping activities. Of course, not to forget, all of these activities combined with state-of-the-art facilities makes it the perfect mini getaway for your holiday. Witnessing the sunset from the Temple of Apollo and observing the ancient ruins at the Nymphaeum should be among your top 2. Number 10. Mardin. Situated on top of a hill, the incredible architecture and decorated stonework make Mardin the shining city of Turkey. Whether you wish to find out about the history of Mardin's open-air museums and religious sites, or indulge in the authentic cuisines that reflect the Mardin culture, there is a spot in this city for all your wish list items. While the tourist industry had once faced a blow due to the conflicts on 2 different sides, visiting the city is now as safe as ever. Number 9. Sumela Monastery. The Sumela Monastery is where you can witness the beautiful Google photos of a monastery standing strong between tall and slender cliffs. After a 4-year-long restoration, the Sumela Monastery, which is dedicated to the Virgin Mary, is now open for tourists again. The 1,000-year-old monastery is not the only adventure in sight through this visit. Right from the moment you set foot on this expedition, the dense forests and freezing mountain streams will make you want to reach your final destination worthwhile. When the king of Pergamon founded a resort on a rocky piece of coast in the 2nd century, who would have known that it would turn out to be the largest river on the Turkish Riviera? This resort city is everything that nature lovers would want. Bright beaches, rich waterfalls, and dense greenery, all at the comfort of luxurious services. The remarkable ruins of Perga, Termessos, and Aspendos at the Antalya Archaeological Museum must be witnessed up close and personal too. Number 7. Safranbolu. When traders traveled through the east-west route since the 13th century, the Ottoman city of Safranbolu was an important station for them. This importance made Safranbolu achieve a position in the UNESCO World Heritage Site list. Shop the classic souvenirs and traditional crafts at the Sensi Han Caravanserai, and then rejuvenate in the conventional Turkish baths at the Sensi Hamam. A walk amid the cobblestone streets and half-timbered houses in the streets of Safranbolu is a must for you to experience the true city life. Number 6. Bodrum. The city, which is home to one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, the Mausoleum of Halicarnassus. Even though earthquakes took the monument away, the importance of its original place remains even today. Bodrum provides the perfect contradictory balance between the ancient Turkey city life and the city for the rich and experimenting tourists. Right from the Bodrum Castle to the Theater of Halicarnassus, Bodrum provides the most picturesque destinations for your visit. Number 5. Topkapi Palace. The Topkapi Palace Museum beats several others in its vicinity, as it portrays the stories of the Ottoman sultans. Rather than a single gigantic structure, the Topkapi Palace is linked with galleries and passages that form a part of the structure of the complex. In addition to being the administrative center for the empire, the palace has witnessed several royal events through its run. Its addition to the World Heritage List in 1985 came as no surprise. Number 4. Edirne. The Thrace region of the north of Turkey is home to the historic city of Edirne. Acting as a conjunction between the 3 countries of Turkey, Greece, and Bulgaria, Edirne played an essential role in the main route from Asia Minor to the Balkans. The Ottoman-designed Selimiye Mosque is a masterpiece of Islamic architecture and the highlight of Edirne. The Sultan Bayazid Mosque is a close second, with a hotel, medical school, and asylum within the mosque. Number 3. Cappadocia. No trip to Turkey can be complete without visiting the fairy tale scenery backdrop of Cappadocia. Certainly the hundreds of hot air balloons in the sky are a must. However, there is so much more to Cappadocia than just its beautiful sunrises. The diverse hiking trails through the mountain paths are just a starting point. To enjoy a packaged experience of adventure with nature, the Red Valley Hike and Sunset Point are definite. Through this, your checklist will be a tick off cave dwellings, rock formations, and ancient churches. Number 2. Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia, or the Church of the Divine Wisdom, witnessed a transformation from being a cathedral over 1500 years ago to a mosque in the 21st century. Also known as one of the greatest monuments worldwide, Hagia Sophia has played an exceptionally important role in the cultural history of Istanbul and Turkey. Not only do the walls of the mosque reflect Islam inscriptions, but they also exhibit the mosaics of Christianity. From the moment you enter to the moment you leave, the complex mosaics and historic galleries will not leave a moment of emptiness. The Bronze Gate, along with the baptistry and stone basins at the end of the building, are a few of the iconic displays at the Hagia Sophia. Number 1. Ephesus. Ephesus carries the record for the most important cities in various aspects. Whether we talk about playing an essential part in the commercial center to being the most important Greek city of one time, Ephesus has experienced it all. After playing a vital role in the ancient world, Ephesus is now one of the most important tourism centers of Turkey. Right from the 3rd largest mammoth library in the ancient world to the well-preserved ancient temples of Artemis and Hadrian, Ephesus will occupy every second of your day. Undoubtedly, with so many places to visit, a short vacation to Turkey would not suffice the array of destinations that it has to offer. Although, as much as you see in Turkey, it will be enough beauty and knowledge until your next trip back. We've come to the end of this video. If you love this, check out more of our videos in the description box. Also, remember to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.